going home. At least we're trying to get home. This was our view on the way to church too, and it's gotten much worse. We only got stuck in the church parking lot when we left church today. Lots of car. Believe it or not, there is a car ahead of us. Can't see it. So we're having fun. A few buses ran today. We probably had over 1,000 in the main church service today, so that was pretty good. We've canceled school for Monday for sure. Monday and Tuesday for City Baptist. So we'll see how things go here.
Drifting snow.
Drifting snow, yeah. Our car was drifted in when we got out of church. Oh, it was fun. All right. Well, we're about ready to turn onto a major. Oh, we got cars off in the ditch here. Off the side of the road. Actually, there's no ditch here. We're just about to Indianapolis, which is Highway 41. We're about a block from it. I think you can see the stoplight. I'm sorry, I wish we could help, but we don't have our truck anymore. I think we're going to take the Jeep to church tonight. It has four-wheel drive. Oh. It's been an adventure today, that's for sure.